right, so I want to talk about the use of radio in attorney advertising. Now, some attorneys do radio. It's kind of rare, and some people are afraid of it. Some people do it quite a bit. But I'm going to put it to you and say, like, most attorneys don't do it the right way. And here's what I mean by that. The wrong way is promoting yourself and your firm. It's as if you had a business card and you were reading it in your radio spot. So what I consider a bad, ineffective, money-wasting radio spot would be like this. Have you been arrested for DUI? If so, contact the law firm of A, B, and C. Experienced DUI attorneys that will fight for your rights and be aggressive and get you the results you need. Call 1-800-555-1212 now and speak to someone at the law firm of A, B, and C Law. Now, to me, that's just a junk radio ad. There's a couple of reasons why. One is that every attorney's ad is going to sound just like that. So it's going to be just background noise to people. Number two is that all it does is promote the attorney, and it says the same junk that most attorneys have on their website. It doesn't give you a particular reason why you should call that attorney. Again, every other attorney is saying the same thing, and it doesn't really address someone's situation beyond maybe the area of law, such as DUI or divorce. You can do an equivalent commercial for divorce. If you're considering divorce, call the law firm of A, B, and C. We're aggressive. Same junk. So how can you recast radio ads to make them more effective? Well, one way I've found is to turn your radio ads into a question. Now, here's an example. Don't mention your firm name or anything until the end. But here it goes. So, have you been arrested for DUI? Well, if you've been arrested, is there mandatory jail for a first-time DUI? Find out by calling the law offices of A, B, and C now. We have a 24-hour free recorded message that reveals exactly what's involved with potential jail on a first-time DUI. The number to call is blah, 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 blah. Okay, another example is, if you're considering filing bankruptcy, which chapter of bankruptcy is better, a Chapter 7 or a 13? Find out now by calling our free recorded message bankruptcy hotline at blah, 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 blah. Another one. How serious is a shoplifting conviction? Call, same model. I'll give you one last one. If I have a misdemeanor conviction, how do I seal or expunge my record? To find out, call blah, 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 blah. So the format here is question to pique curiosity, and these should be questions that you get all the time from potential clients, whether you're a bankruptcy lawyer, criminal defense, DUI, divorce, as you can tell. And the answer you do not reveal, and you give people a way to contact you to get the answer. But there's two ways to ask people to contact you. One is more than two. One is to have them visit your website, which I consider not to be very threatening because someone is not going to call them and pitch them when they're on the website. A difficult way to do it is to have them call your law firm because a lot of law firms are very unfriendly and people are afraid they're going to be pitched and sold. They're nervous to talk to a lawyer. So I probably wouldn't do that. Another soft way to do it that's effective is to set up a 24-hour free recorded message tree. And I'm going to do another whole spiel on that, but I just want to introduce the concept. Why is that a nice way to get people to respond? Because again, they don't have to talk to anybody. They don't have to be afraid of being pitched. So if you're doing radio and it's not working for you, or it's just working okay, or you want to improve it, these are ways that you can quickly recast it into a series of 3, 4, 5, 10 questions. Sprinkle the questions over your radio spots and use this format. So question in a non-threatening way for people to get information they're looking for, and it will improve your radio and make it a big profit center for you.